So I'm trying to go to sleep because I got to go to work in a couple of hours, and this is what I'm hearing. I have no idea what that is. Can you hear that? It sounds like they're grinding up their house. And people wonder why I'm always tired. I always wanted to live without neighbors. If it's not the Neanderthals, now it's whoever the heck that is. He's normally fairly quiet except for running his diesel truck all night long, but I'm not usually here at night, so what do I care? Alright, I'm gonna go down and check the garden, see what's going on there. I put a little tip on the thing there so the bees couldn't crawl up inside. And bless his heart, he wants in so bad. I feel sorry for him. I'm going to pull the tip off so he can get a drinky. There we go. There we go. Bless your little heart. Come on up and get a drink. Come on, sweet baby. Come on. Yeah. There you go. Nummy, 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 num, 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 num. Oh, delish. Num, 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 num. I know. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Go make lots of honey, precious. You precious little bee. Oh, just sit there and just guzzle. Guzzle, 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 guzzle. Before the other bees find it. You are a lucky little bee. You need to thank me. I love you. Go make honey, sweet bee. You know, we shouldn't be afraid of bees. You should love bees because without bees we wouldn't have food. I'm going to go down and check the garden. You know, as if Scud didn't have enough bad habits, he's eating weeds in my garden. Yes, you are. You eat weeds too. You're also semi-vegetarian. I hope you don't do that to my beans and my corn and stuff when it gets up. Probably will. Pull up a bad weed while I'm here. Oh, good. We got some beans coming up. More beans. The tomatoes are looking a little greener than they had been since I put that step. If someone won't step on them, would you please stop that? Okay. Still didn't get any more zucchini. There's your collar. You lost it in the garden. Yes, give that here. That's mine. How did you lose this? How did you get it off, huh? What, you're scared of this, but not of a sugar bee? Silly dog. Well, you know what? I think I've got some, yes I do. If Scud doesn't kill him, I have some baby broccoli coming up. That's exciting. Boy, I could really use to have a weekend off so that I could pull weeds. But they'll just have to grow until I get through this week again. I don't know if I have next weekend off. I think I may, maybe, unless they call me. Okay, all right. Go over here. Sweet Pepper Hill's looking good. I got all my sweet peppers in here. I think this is one that got, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. Looks like something's been digging in Sweet Pepper Hill and killed one of my peppers. No! Scudner, was that you? There's Hot Pepper Hill. It's doing all right. But looky there. Cucumber Hill, no good. And it looks like something's been scratching around in there too. Could be Larry and Moe. You know, the odds are just against me ever growing a garden. They really are. And I don't think the popcorn's going to come up. Although, we're supposed to get a soaking rain tonight and for the next couple of days. So hopefully we will see some more stuff germinating and grow big enough that the roosters can't scratch it up, or it won't be edible to Scud and Angus, which that would be very rare. My lamb's quarter is growing back since my stepfather accidentally mowed it all down. That's okay, that doesn't stop it. Here it is. Isn't it pretty? What's really pretty about it is you see that kind of silvery sheen on top. This plant sheds water. It's like waterproof. I was thinking if you were out trying to survive in the wilderness and you came across a bunch of lambs quartered, you could just sort of like cover your hut in it and it would shed the rain. But maybe that's crazy thinking, because hopefully I'll never be stuck in that situation. Alrighty then. Update a little bit. Talk to you later. Hit like. Make an old woman happy.